Hello, my crafty friends, and Happy New Year. My name is Robin Pitts. If you're new to my channel or you're a returning subscriber, welcome. I'm really excited to bring my first craft project of 2026. And to kick off the year, I am participating in a fun hop hosted by Kim Murray from Salty Beach Scrapper called Beat the Winter Blues Color Challenge Hop. Now, Kim has gathered some really wonderful designers, and they will be creating projects in all hues of blue. If you'd like to join in the fun, all you have to do is watch each of the channels that are participating in this YouTube hop, leave a comment, and also be sure to subscribe. Also, create any craft project that you like. It could be a card, a scrapbook page, mixed media, a mini album. Just make sure that it's in some form of blue hue. You can use other colors if you like, but blue has to be the predominant color. As part of this YouTube hop, I will be giving away a fun prize, and I know several of the other channels will be doing that as well, so you want to make sure that you visit each of the channels. In today's video, I'm going to give you a high-level overview of the project that I've created, but I've also created an additional video that is more in-depth, and it shows you how I made this project. The die that I used to make this project is by Diamond Press, and it's called the 3D Lantern. Now, this came out in the fall of last year, and it was specifically made for the Diamond Press Grand Marquis. So that's their larger die cutting machine. Now, you can use this die in any of the other die cutting machines that you have. This project is quite sizable. It measures 13 inches from top to bottom, and it's 4 3/8 from left to right. Now, the paper collection that I used to make this project is by Ciao Bella, and it's called Winter's Journey. So in my other video, I walk through the paper collection. It is so beautiful. You don't want to miss that video. This is the first side of my lantern, and I've created this beautiful little poinsettia, and I've also done tons of fussy cutting. There are beautiful floral pieces in this paper collection. On the right here, it says, "Winter is not a season, it's a celebration." In the background, I have this beautiful printed vellum. And here in the lower right corner, I've got this gorgeous deer that is surrounded by beautiful flowers. On the next side, we have more beautiful fussy cutting. Here on the top, we've got these beautiful die cut snowflakes, and we have these beautiful images. These are all fussy cut from the paper collection. On this next side, we've got this beautiful clock here that's surrounded by pine cones and beautiful roses. Here we have another poinsettia, and you can see all the beautiful layers of this flower. Now, I've added the red in it just to give it a pop of color, and it also helps break up the blue. Again, you see more of this beautiful fussy cutting. Here in the center, we've got this gorgeous little fox, more beautiful flowers, and we've got this cute little blue log cabin, and it says, "Walking in a Winter Wonderland." On the last side, we have this beautiful sentiment here that says Winter Journey. We have more of these die-cut snowflakes, and then this beautiful image of a winter robin. Isn't that beautiful? Now, I do have lights inside. I'm going to turn off all of the lights so that you can see this when it's illuminated. I've turned off all the lights, and here you can see the beautiful illumination of this lantern. Let me turn it around to the other side. I love the contrast of the lattice versus the more open panels here on the side. Here's another look at my lantern. As I mentioned earlier, I do have another video which walks you through step by step on how to create this project. Last but not least, I did tell you that I was going to have a giveaway, and this cute little shaker box on the right is one of the prizes. I will be selecting the winner on Tuesday, January 6th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So be sure to check back on my channel, and also don't forget to check the other channels because their selection dates may be on a different day. Hopefully this project has inspired you to craft along with this. If you do make a project, please be sure to use the hashtag #BeatTheWinterBluesHop so that we can see your beautiful projects. Up next in the YouTube hop is Debbie Adams, and she has a beautiful project waiting for you. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.